how to log in to BCIS University account. So if you want to log into BCIS University account, then first go for the search bar and search for BCIS University login. You can choose any browser that you would like, and I'm here with Chrome browser. You can go for the first search, which is login BCIS. So BCIS simply means Bachelor of Computer Information System. So if you want to log into BCIS, click on the first search, and here it will take you to the login page of BCIS. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your login ID on the first blank. And once you enter your login ID, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can contact this email so that you can get some help while logging into your account. But if you remember, then enter your password. And if you want to save your login information on your laptop or PC, then click on Remember Me. But if you don't want to save it, then unclick it and click on Login. And once you click on Login, it will log into your BCIS account. So that's it. That's how you log into your BCIS University account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.